couple questions and troubleshooting things that might possibly come up while you're using this snow foam cannon. Sometimes there's no foam produced, or just a little bit of foam is produced. You just want to double check and make sure that this knob is clockwise the entire way, so it's maximum soap and it's drawing the maximum amount of soap from your canister. The other thing is you want to make sure that your dilution ratio of soap to water in this canister is high enough for that soap. So talk to the manufacturer of the soap, find out what the ratio should be, calculate it, and make sure that you're putting enough soap in this canister. The knob on the top is not moving well or anything like that. There is a little screw at the very top of that. There's a Phillips screw. Sometimes, there's a slight chance that could be loose. You're going to want to tighten that up so that this knob is functioning and it's doing its job. The spray nozzle could theoretically be clogged. I showed you that process on how to replace that screen that's inside the spray nozzle. And I basically keep this away from very high temperatures. Anything like 140 degrees or greater, I would keep that away. Any water that's 140 degrees or greater, I would stay away from that. Please stay away from any fragile items. Keep the item away from babies and children. This is really an adult tool. And if you have any problems, you're welcome to contact me through talkingwithcars@gmail.com, or if you have any questions about the orifice sizes and stuff like that, you can definitely contact me through talkingwithcars@gmail.com, or you can actually leave a message on this post, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But I hope you enjoy it. I hope you have many years of fun with this foam cannon. It's a very high quality foam cannon, and I'm really proud of what this turned out to be. So enjoy, and thanks for the purchase.